Sinalo.
It's okay. Okay? Taking of the girl or young lady to catch the bouquet and the guy for the garter. So the garter will now be transferred to our lady who catch the bouquet. From our right, I think her name. Okay, it's Chrisbel. Okay, let's clap our hands together. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just hold those here. Okay, we'll have it here the speech of Mr. J.
Thank you for sharing this night with us. And so maraming nag-cover natin.
First of all, sa church kanina, I would like to apologize to those people na medyo hindi ko napansin. Una kasi, nag-aasikaso kami yung isa sa akin. And first, gusto kong mag-thank you sa mother ko na hindi ko alam kung nasaan. Siya, sa labas. Pwede ko ang tawag ko sa kasuyo at sa kasuyo sa kanya. Ay, ayaw. Oo, yan na. Ayan na. Si Emmy, si Mama.
Ano, umiyak siya eh.
Ba't siya nasa labas? Ano nasa labas? Oo. Ayan. Okay na, andun si Mama, nakasin sila. Anyway, mamaya na kabalik na. Tapos, I would like to thank each and every one of you. You all look very, very beautiful tonight. Tapos, salamat din sa mga nagbibigay sa amin ng support from day one na set this day. And nagsimula yung agreement ng mag-get married. We thank you for all the support, for all the efforts that you've given us or given for this wedding. Thanks kay JM na nag-host, nag-MC, galing, simula pa nun, nag-set, tapos si Papa. Papa, thank you for coming home from all the way there, sa Baguio, sa Pangasinan, relatives sa Baguio, sa Pangasinan. Papa, kay Mama, na Papa, kay Mama, na he gave us everything, yung support us, magkasama kami sa Baguio and preparing. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yung may makalimutan. It's a very once in a lifetime, sobrang once talaga in our lifetime to get married. And thank you for giving this and making our wedding a very memorable one. Sa like this time, sa medyo more kami, sa mga pictures, for being patient. Si Ay, nakakaganda ng boses, nakakasarap pakinggan.